What is up guys, welcome back to Lunatix Studio, your go-to channel for all things tech, and I just wanted to take this moment to appreciate the milestone we just reached. Happy 100 subscribers guys. I just wanted to thank each and every one of you. You're all awesome. And as always, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see more contents and reviews like this. In this video, we will mod the Rakk Pirah Plus. I did an unboxing and a full review of this keyboard in my last video, so totally check that out. We're gonna be putting tape mod or tempest mod, and we're also gonna be tuning the stabilizers, and hopefully we can enhance or improve the acoustics and the sound quality and overall the typing experience. We're also gonna be using Akko's Cream Yellow Pro switches and some Akko's double shot PBT keycaps. I think I should start reviewing switches. What do you guys think? Let's go!